Why do cats purr and how does it benefit your health? The soothing sound is more than a sign of happiness. It's a surprising source of healing power you can feel. Cats purr for many reasons beyond just contentment. When a cat purrs, it is often signaling relaxation or pleasure, but they also purr when they are scared, injured, or healing. This low-frequency vibration helps calm their nervous system and may aid in tissue regeneration. Purring is a unique communication tool that serves different purposes depending on the context. So it's not just a cute sound, it's a clever biological mechanism. The frequency of a cat's purr is scientifically fascinating. Studies show these vibrations occur between 25 and 150 hertz, a range proven to promote tissue regeneration, reduce swelling, and strengthen bones. Humans exposed to similar frequencies experience faster healing and pain relief. This means your cat's purr isn't just calming, it could be creating a healing environment for both them and you. When you hear your cat purr, your body responds in ways that can enhance your well-being. The rhythmic sound lowers your stress by reducing cortisol, the stress hormone. It can also decrease your heart rate and blood pressure, which promotes cardiovascular health. Plus, the soothing effect boosts your mood, making you feel happier and more relaxed. So your cat's purr is a natural therapy that benefits your health daily. Cats purr for more reasons than you might think, from signaling comfort to self-healing. Even better, their purring can positively impact your health by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Next time your cat purrs, remember it's a tiny healer right in your lap. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.